everybody, I'm Jamie. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been missing for a couple weeks, but I'm here now, and I just had a really strong feeling that I wanted to do a video today, so I'm doing it. But sorry I've been gone. Hopefully y'all missed me. Hopefully y'all, but what I'm gonna do today is like a Christmas look. And don't mind that I still have Halloween decorations up. I haven't had time, been busy, and it makes me happy. So I'll get to Christmas decorate. I got my house decorated in Christmas, but I just haven't decorated in here. I just like the way it looks, but but I'm still gonna do my first Christmas look of the year. If I can find the palette I want. I'm gonna throw up a picture right here of what I want it to somewhat look like. I think I'll try to throw up a picture, but I'm gonna try to use this palette. It's not gonna be exact. It's just gonna be like kind of similar to the picture. I'll try my best, but it don't have to be like exact, but it was just kind of an idea. So I'm gonna go in with the Norvina ABH collection in this particular palette. It's Mini Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. And it's just like regular whatever, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go in with this pink. Hopefully it's light enough, but I'm gonna just put that all over the eye real quick. This mirror is not clean, y'all. I'm sorry. I am a train wreck. We all know that. We know that by now. Well, I'm gonna go in with a pink, unless there's a lighter pink. Let me check these other ones. I love these palettes. Let's go in with this one. I'm gonna probably go back and forth to these palettes, but I'm gonna try that one since it's lighter. I'm just kind of put it all over my eye. And I do have red in my eye because I did wear that today and I couldn't really get it out, but it'll go with the look, so not a big deal. But yeah, hopefully y'all are doing well. I'm doing good. I'm just busy or lazy or tired. It just depends. Been lazy and tired, but I've been around and I just realized like I haven't been on here for about 2 weeks. So usually I don't try to stay away for that long, but sometimes shit happens, Shit happens, girl. But yeah, I'm just gonna use a combination of things to try to make the look come together, and it should work out. It should work out okay. Like I said before, I'm not a professional. I don't claim to be. I just like makeup. Does makeup like me? I don't know. I feel like it does. Okay, so then after that, the pink, I'm gonna go ahead and take my NYX Epic Wear. I think I want to put a little bit of tape on my eye just to make sure it's, straight and like precise. I don't want to be lopsided, but even though I use tape, sometimes I still look fucking lopsided. But we'll just get on with our lives. But that looks pretty even, I guess. What do y'all think? But then I'm gonna take my Epic Wear in white and I'm going to go ahead and just go. I'm gonna try to be not very messy, but you know me, girl. See, look, I already blinked and fuck that gig up. But oh well, we'll fix it. Everything's fixable, right? Is it? I think everything's relatively fixable. So I'm really messing it up. I haven't done looks for a while, so I feel like I'm being real messy. But it is what it is. I don't have that steady of a hand anyway, so. But I feel like I'm gonna go in with like eyeshadow and kind of clean it up. So hopefully that'll work. I'm gonna make sure I get real close to the tape. And yeah. Yeah, it looks pretty messy right now, but hopefully we'll fix it. I usually have faith in myself. Do you have faith in me? Because I kind of do, kind of don't at the same time. And I keep blinking and that does not help. So let me go back into this pink. And maybe I can wipe some of it off. Oh yeah, that's fine. And then I'll just put the pink over it. Yeah, this is kind of turning out to be a train wreck. But did we expect anything less? This is me we're talking about. I'm just gonna kind of put that over. Yeah, I think it's working out okay. Right? Yeah, that looks fine. It's fine. It's fine. Just keep telling yourself it's fine and it will be fine. Right? Okay. So, hopefully y'all been doing well since I've been gone. Comment down below what you've been doing. What's my girls been doing? Hopefully y'all missed me, but not too much. I feel like that's okay. And I'm gonna kind of go over this. I think this one I'm gonna do darker. So let me take my finger and make sure it's kind of all, it's all good. Yeah, it's messy, but I don't know how people get so precise. You know what I'm saying? Like if you have tips and tricks, I'd be willing to listen to them, but I probably wouldn't follow it. I'm gonna go into this red right here and put that above. I'll try to be more precise so that it might look better. Hopefully it looks okay at the end, but you never know until the end, and then it's too late. But we'll see. Last year I did a blue one with the Makeup Mafia. I'll put a picture of it right here. I went all out for that. I should do another one like that. Similar, you know, like not exactly like that, but like one that I actually put my heart and soul into, you know what I'm saying? Like I put a lot of effort into that. And I was proud of that. And it looked pretty cute. I thought anyways. And a lot of people I think like that look. But it's like I don't put effort into shit anymore. You know what I'm saying? But let's see. I think that's looking okay. Like it's kind of drag queenish, but I ain't mad at it. I'm gonna take this again, the Epic Wear. Try to not have so much liner on it this time, so it won't look all kinds of freaking jacked up. I think I need a new one of these. I don't know why. Okay, I'm not gonna look up for a minute, but I don't know why. It seems like this white one goes like bad faster than any of the others. It reminds me of whiteout. But I'll try to get that out of there. Let it dry. I don't have a fan anymore. Every fan that I get breaks, so I just throw it away and I just use these. I mean, I got a whole bunch of them, so what am I doing? Can you tell me what I'm doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. More pink. Pink eye. Y'all ever had real pink eye? I think it comes from like cat hair. I used to have cats and I'm not a cat person anymore, so I don't get pink eye. But I had it before. It kind of hurts and it's not the best thing to have. But anyways, so Looks like crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and take NYX Epic Brights, and I'm gonna try to make the red like lines on like. See what it looks like? Oh, I don't look bad at all. It's not perfect, but then again, when am I ever perfect? But it's not bad. It's not bad. I think I'll go over the lines real quick. Oh, I have this whole thing. And I'll just use what I used this morning, and it's kind of like a pink, but it comes off kind of red. And just put that in the waterline. And then I'm gonna take my Lash Freak by Urban Decay and put my lashes, or like put this in my lashes. I'm gonna put it on the top and the bottom. And I'm not gonna put on lashes. Sorry. I know you probably wanted lashes, but girl, I'm bad at it. I still need to practice at it. Okay. Looks like I got a little bit right here. And also, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the red and green and make red and green freckles, maybe? Just here and there. Hopefully they don't look like blemishes. But once I get them on, they probably shouldn't. But if they do, they do. Whatever. I like to make the look my own. And I like freckles, so whatever. And I was gonna make a candy cane, but I don't think I'm gonna. I just don't think I'm gonna. Wonder if I can use this as a lip liner. It's the cream gel liner by ColourPop. Maybe put some glitter up here. Okay, yeah, I like that. That's pretty. Girl, that's pretty. And maybe just kind of put some over, like so. I didn't really put any contour or bronzer on. I'm gonna do that right now, just real quick. But I think eyebrow wise, I already put them on, but maybe I'll put a little bit of this in it. Okay, I like that. And what was I gonna do? Oh, I'm gonna bust out my Kat Von D Shade and Light. I use this like all the time, obviously. And contour. I'm gonna actually do deep contour right here. And then I'm gonna put a crap load of highlight on. Gotta make that face look skinty. Is that too much? Nobody cares. Nobody. But let's see, and what else here? Let me blend this. And then let's put Ofra's Glazed Donut on. And just make it all like glowy. So this is a finished look. So if you want to recreate something like this, it's pretty easy. It's not perfect, but I think you get the point of what it is. But anyways, I'm glad to be back. Hopefully I'll make more videos regularly. And make sure you go down in the description box, follow all of my social media. And I forgot how to make a video, so thanks for watching. Bye.